Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a content creator and freelancer. So in this video, I will show you how you can start your freelancing journey as a student, either college student and university student, it doesn't matter. So as a freelancer, I know how it's difficult to find the best niche, how we can learn the skills. So that's the another part. I will show you the real example. So maybe you may hear the name of Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace where you can promote your services, you can sell your services. You have a web design skill, you can work for a buyer who needs the web design, okay, the website. If you have a video editing skill, sell your service, okay. I will show you the my profile. I have a Fiverr account and right now I got a Fiverr order and it's a $25 order. So I will show you the step-by-step process, how I got this order and how I can complete this. So this kind of video maybe help you to make a quick decision. Okay, maybe you are thinking to start a freelance and you are watching lots of videos, but you are getting confused where you should start, okay, and maybe this channel should be your perfect, okay. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's jump into the video. So maybe you know the Fiverr seller, they are promoting their services as a gig. It's called gig. So as a new seller, you can open 7 gigs. So this is one of my gigs and I got total 113 reviews, but I completed 300 plus project and still now running. I have 2 orders in queue. I have a gig 1 lead generation and prospect list for any industry. So basically this account for lead generation purposes, okay. So I do lead generation for B2B lead generation for any industry, any companies. If you want to start, so just make sure which niche you can start easily, and the easy niche is data entry, lead generation, web research. This kind of virtual assistant work is available for any kind of marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork. So if you little bit hurry and you need money as fast, so just go for the virtual assistant related task, okay. So you can learn through the YouTube. So just open a Fiverr account and set up your profile and open a Fiverr gig. That's it. So it's not a big deal. Just take your time and do research and just set up your profile perfectly. So let me show you the buyer communication. Buyer communication, that's mean who gave me the $25 orders, okay. So I'm going to show you the this buyer communication. So how I got this order. Opening a new business, I will need some leads. Again, I do free at this time. So this is one of my buyer. I worked him before, maybe last year or 2 years ago, and now he is coming to me and he is opening new businesses and he needs some leads, and he sent me the requirements. This is the job requirements that I need to do, so I will explain later. So and he needs 100 leads. It's a B2B e-commerce lead, so this charges $25, okay. Just send him a $25 custom offer. This called custom offer, like you can send and a custom offer and buyer will accept this offer and you will earn $25. So this is the running order. So let's jump into the details. So this is the order, $25, and this is the job description. Here we can see the details page and activity page where you can communicate, okay. Activity page, and let's check the requirements. This is the requirements I got from my buyer, okay. I will explain this, and this is the delivery file, okay. So let's check the requirements and what should I do and how we can do this, okay. So this is our project, e-commerce companies, and the based in, this is the location, targeted location, Finland, France, Sweden and Portugal, and all online shops must be English, and obviously the modern English, and Facebook ads running, which is really important. So we must have to check the Facebook ads running less than 10. So I have already a video where I showed how we can check the Facebook ad running, so please check this video. And employees, okay, and employees less than 100. No website that are only allowed for people with 18 plus age, okay. So no website are allowed and not in this industry. So if you found this industry, so we must skip this. So B2B companies, we don't add this. CBD vape companies, we must skip this. Bose companies, leather, perfume companies, okay. So these are the criteria, so you must remember this when you are working on this project, okay. And information I need from these companies, company name, you must have to provide company name, website, CEO name, CEO email must be verified, and best countries, those are matching with this criteria. So this is really important, okay. So this is called B2B lead generation. So basically we will have to find the e-commerce shop, Shopify, Wix or any kind of, and the best country is Finland, France, Sweden and Portugal. So you have already seen this criteria. So our next step is to find this website. Where you can find this website? So lots of resources, like number one is the Google. So where you can find this kind of companies, so e-commerce companies or other any industries. So number one, we have to search on Google, and we have to find the LinkedIn profile where you can find the CEO or other top decision maker. So that's the process. And we have to find the email addresses. So finding email addresses is little bit tricky, but it's not tricky like that as you think, but it's really easy. And we have lots of tools where you can find the email addresses from LinkedIn. It's called lead generation email finding tools. So you will see the Chrome extension, you will see the lots of tools out there. If you want to know which tool should I use, so please comment below. I will make another video where you can see the lots of tools. Basically I have been using those tools, so I will make another video for those. So after completing your leads, how you can deliver this project. So let's check our Excel file. So this is our Excel file, this is our working sheet, company name, website, CEO name, SEO, email, country. So we have 100 plus data here already. So I'm going to send to this buyer. So I'm going to upload this file here. Just click on and select the file name, and you can write some messages here. Please check this file. I have added 20 new leads. So buyer will check this, and he will get via notify if you need any changes. So I will have to change this again, and after that we have to deliver this file. So this is how you can work as a freelancer, basically as a lead generation specialist. Or if you have any skills, you can offer these services through the Fiverr marketplace. This is really cool for a student, obviously. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment below if you have any queries and questions. And don't waste your time and don't overthinking. Just take a category which is best fit for you, which is already you know about this. If you know the social media marketing, start social media marketing services. If you know the graphic design, starts offering some your designs. Okay, so lots of opportunity out there. So just pick a niche and focus on that. Just learn that and open your account and the services and get job and do your best to deliver these services. And I'm sure as a student you have a big dream. You can work on Google or Facebook or giant companies or any industrial companies. But as a student, if you want to earn some extra money, so maybe this would be your side hustle. And I hope you would love this. So see you in the another video. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.